Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing ground beef burrito that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing homemade ground beef burrito, these are the ingredients. I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Spices, I have black pepper, oregano, chicken bouillon, cumin, garlic salt, smoked paprika, salt to taste, jalapeños. The salsa is optional. Of course, you have many on my channel. 1 onion, 4 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, rice, beans, Monterey Jack cheese, sour cream, ground beef, and of course, the flour tortilla. This burrito comes out amazing and delicious. So let's get started. I am so ready to start making this amazing and delicious ground beef burrito. Well, here I have my onion. I'm just gonna dice away, cube it. No need to have it that small. Just cube it in medium pieces. Put it into your pan. Continue with your tomatoes. I'm going to start slicing away and then cubing at the same time and adding it directly into my pot. Let me tell you, this burrito is chunky, delicious, and so much flavor goes in it. And here I have my jalapeños. I am going to remove the seeds with the spoon, the seeds and the vein, because I don't want this burrito to be too spicy for me to handle. You know I love spicy food, but sometimes the jalapeños come out really hot. So here I am going to just remove the seeds and remove the vein. And when this is done, I'm going to slice away. And then I'm going to cube it in small little pieces. Let me tell you, everything is a one-pot meal. I'm going to add everything into the pot. Let me show you how easy it is to enjoy an amazing homemade burrito. Yes, it even tastes so delicious when you make it at home. Put everything in the pot. Everything's in here. I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. Put it aside, and don't forget all your spices and your garlic cloves. Here I'm going to just put it aside, and I'm going to continue with my garlic cloves. Smash it, wake up those amazing flavors and aroma, and then chop away. Once this is done, transfer it to the same pot. And let's take it to the stove. We're going to start cooking in medium heat. I'm going to pull it apart. I don't want any chunks of ground beef, so I'm just going to pull it apart. Add 1/2 cup of water because I'm not adding any oils to this. This is lean ground beef. 5 minutes later, I'm going to open the pan, continue smashing, incorporating all those amazing veggies, covering it. 5 minutes later, you could see all the juices and the fat rendered in the center. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. I'm going to cook it, incorporate it really good. Remember, there's a lot of liquid in here. Cook it really good. I'm not going to cover it anymore. I'm going to leave it like this for about 10 minutes. And when there's no liquid in the center, I am ready. This ground beef has so much flavor. It's nice and thick. There's not runny at all. And that's exactly how you want it. Nice and thick, nice and moist. And once this is like this, you are ready. to turn off your stove and start preparing your delicious chunky burrito. In a flour tortilla, I'm going to add, being very generous with the cheese in the center, adding, of course, beans, rice, and then being very generous with my ground beef. This is a chunky, delicious, homemade ground beef burrito. Of course, I am going to add in here some sour cream. I am going to add some roasted salsa that you already have on my channel. Go to my playlist and just check all the salsas I have and choose the one that you really love. And here I am ready to roll my burrito, being very careful, closing the sides really tight. And of course, on my skillet, I'm going to add some cheese. And this is where the magic begins. Let the cheese start bubbling before you add your burrito right on the center. Being very careful. Wrap your burrito in the amazing cheese and just cook it until it's all golden brown. And when it sounds like this, you're really going to love it. When it sounds like this, you're ready to enjoy. Look at this. Nothing is more delicious than a homemade burrito made at home with lots of love. Can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in just a little bit. Completely done with this amazing homemade ground beef burrito. Of course, I'm adding a little more sour cream and salsa, and you already have so many recipes of delicious and amazing salsas on my channel. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy this crispy and delicious homemade ground burrito. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Let me tell you, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. So crispy and delicious. To make this amazing homemade recipe. If you liked and loved this amazing ground beef burrito, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing, crispy ground beef burrito. See you soon. Bye-bye.